Everybody, how's it going? This is Sully over here at Sullivan's Designs. We're about to pick up the side piece. We just grabbed the trailer from the office. We're gonna take her on the maiden voyage today down the track. Let's see what happens. We just got here to PBIR, Palm Beach International Raceway here in South Florida. Let the shakedown passes. Pass there we did right off the trailer. It's a motor pass, unfortunately, because the nitrous solenoid is leaking. It is what it is. We went 13.13 at 104, 185 60 foot. Something's up with the tranny tune where when it's shifting into fourth at about 1,000 foot mark, it's clicking right into fifth, which is an overdrive gear, and bogging down the motor. We logged the run. We're sending it to our tuner. He's going to revise it. We should be good to go here for a second pass and bust into the mid-12. What's up, everybody? How's it going? As you saw there, that Audi R8 Carbon drove around me pretty hard there. It's my buddy's car. He was just getting some shakedown passes. Might have been a different story if I was on Nitrous. Definitely wouldn't have drove around me, even though he had that Fasster ET. Got gapped pretty good there at the line. Anyways, the day went well. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get the revised tune file from the tuner. We had the Wi-Fi wasn't working in the truck, and it was hard to get cell service out there to get the revised tune file, unfortunately. It is what it is. Overall, not a bad day, being that the truck is full weight, full interior in the truck still. Atomic Fab is going to send us over some seat brackets, and we're going to get the Kirkies installed. We were hoping for mid-12s on motor. We were close to that. We didn't hit it. I think if we were able to revise the tune a little bit, we would have hit it. It is what it is. We'll get everything fixed up, and next time we'll come out swinging, make sure the nitrous is working, and we're hoping for 10s. I think it's possible. It's going to be an 8th mile truck, so for now we're going to hit a 200 shot at it and see what it does and go from there. Hope you all have a great week.